So in the last video, we talked about how does a pondless waterfall work? Well, in this video, we're talking about, does a pondless waterfall need filtration? Well, in a waterfall in your garden, you don't have fish, you don't have lilies. So you don't need a massive amount of biological filtration to keep the water running or keep the water clear. So the quick answer is no, you don't need filtration on garden waterfalls. What you do need is to do maintenance. So if you put a waterfall filter at the top of a pondless waterfall, you're creating a more biological activity. You don't need it, but sometimes it's actually better from an installation point of view to put a pondless waterfall filter at the top, but you don't need filtration on a pondless waterfall. The rocks, the gravel, the flowing water will keep enough beneficial bacteria alive to keep the water sweet. One of the benefits from a pondless waterfall is you can switch it off. That's another reason why you don't need filtration, is because it's not running all of the year. Another reason why you don't need filtration is most of the water is out of sight, out of the direct contact of sunlight. If you don't do anything, you will get blanket weed, you will get algae growing in a pondless waterfall, but there's a number of remedies. Let me talk about that in the next video. My name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. And I'll see you in the next video.